Welcome back, Love God family, to Andine's Kitchen. Say hello to your new comfort food, the ultimate vegan mac and cheese. Recipe is creamy and cheesy, and it's oh so delicious. Plus, did you know that by going vegan, you can lower your cholesterol level and reduce the risk of heart disease? Use whole grain pasta for added fiber and nutrients. Let's get cooking. We have the preparation for our ultimate vegan mac and cheese. So here is 2 cups of pasta, vegan pasta, gluten-free. Here is 2 cups of cheese, vegan cheese as well. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/3 of flour, that's for the cheese sauce, 2 cups of 100% coconut milk, no dairy inside, and my diced vegetable for color. We don't have vegan butter, so we are substituting vegan butter with some sesame seed oil, cold press. So we are going to move to the stove to start the cooking process of the pasta. So the continuation of making our vegan mac and cheese, our ultimate vegan mac and cheese. So remember I told you we are substituting the butter for sesame oil. So we are preparing the cheese sauce. We're going to add our flour and whisk it in. Looking good. So this is like a thickening agent. See? Lower the heat. Adding in some garlic. Then I'm gonna add in my cheese. Option 2, guys, Love God family. The plant-based cheese was melting weird, so I need a smooth cheese sauce for my pasta. So it's in my handy dandy blender. Let's blend away. Andine's Kitchen, Love God family. See, this is what I'm looking for. Nice creamy cheese sauce. That's why every kitchen needs to have a blender or a food processor, something to get the job done. So we're gonna move this to our stove, back to our stove top, and then add our pasta, season to taste.
Love God family, this was a very much of an experiment, because when we add all the ingredients, the flour and the coconut milk and all the ingredients, it start get so thick, but because of the knowledge of the chef, you were able to get a nice rich and creamy vegan sauce. So we're continuing on with the ultimate vegan mac and cheese,
Creamy.
your new favorite dish.
See, Nice creamy cheese sauce. Beautiful. The vegetable is just for color, a popper color. Nice and creamy for sure.
Very creamy, guys. Wow.
Because I have to have some heat instead of the black pepper. And I'm gonna put a little salt to taste. I had like a half teaspoon already, but it needs a little bit more. Look at it, guys. Very nice. Please give it a like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell and select option all for all upcoming content.
So we decided to add an extra step to our mac and cheese. So we put it in a pirate dish, and then we added some breadcrumbs to the top, and then we're gonna put it
I'm gonna move to the oven.
in the oven, and then we're gonna bake it, and then
Just to get a nice little color on it.